Hi, Peter Charles here, and I was going to shoot this video with this camera. As you can see, it's in my hand, not on the tripod. So let's talk about why that happened. Okay, I haven't had this X-E5 for very long, and I got it with the 23mm f2.8 lens. Fine, so I thought, you know what, we'll give it a try for video, because it is a new lens. I was hoping it would be a little bit more video friendly. I have no worries about the camera itself. It's the lens I'm concerned with. And when I tried it, and I'll put the results up here in the corner, when I tried it, I got all sorts of problems with the lens changing focus. When it changed focus, the image grew and shrank. And it's a problem that a lot of lenses have, that when the focus changes, the actual focal length of the lens is actually changing. So the image either grows or shrinks. Now, this is not a problem for still photography, because you're at a fixed focal length. Sorry, not a fixed focal length. You're at a fixed distance for your, when you are aiming your camera at something. But video, does it ever show up in video? And basically, you cannot use this lens because it tends to hunt around, and when it does, your image size is changing. Looks awful. So basically, I'm having to rely on my 16 to 55mm f2.8 Mark II version lens for doing all of my videos, because I tried this one, I was thinking maybe it'll work, maybe it'll be okay. But no, it's really no different in its behavior to the old 18mm and the newer 27mm. Both are pancake-sized lenses, and they all have the same issues when it comes to autofocus, especially in video. So there you go. It's going to be a stills lens, and the camera I think is probably going to be for stills photography only as well. So I don't care about that. That's what I bought it for originally, but it is a bit disappointing that it still has the old problems of and the image size changing. That's not gone away. I know if I put that lens on this camera, it'll be fine. I could do that, I suppose, but I'm not going to. I'll leave that as it is, and I'll leave this as it is. So there you go. I was going to do this fishing video with all of these fishing stuff, but I'm doing this video instead. So if you're thinking about this camera and this lens for video, don't. If you're looking for a cheap solution for video, for a lens for this camera, look at the old 18 to 55mm f2.8 to f4, I believe it was. That lens is great. So, I'd stick that on this camera and shoot video, but not this thing. So give that some thought. Cheers.